Hi Stampers, I'm here to talk about one of our new suites called Garden Impressions. It comes with a stamp set and these lovely thinlits, the Springtime Impressions, and it also comes with paper and ribbon. But what I'm going to really talk about today is just on this page, is the Springtime Impression Thinlit Dies and the stamp set. So they come with this one big thinlit, the butterfly, and this flower. These are one of the things that I've been having fun with. So I'm just going to take our Ultra Smooth White cardstock, take the one I've already pre-cut with our Big Shot, and I'm going to also have on hand some Post-it notes just in case I need them for blocking out some of the colors. So I'm just going to have this here handy. You're going to want to start with your lightest color first, and I'm using the Soft Seafoam, one of our new colors. And I'm going to just take that and kind of sponge around the edge here of these little wisp of greenery. So I'm just going to kind of do this outside edge. And I'm going to kind of make sure the color is gone off a little bit so you're getting the shape of the actual greenery. Okay, did I get all that greenery? Then I want to go ahead and do my next color, which is So Saffron, and I'm going to go ahead and do some of the flowers in that color. You can do that and you can rub it like this also. Just want to make sure you try to get in the nooks and crannies of those flowers. Rub it around, and these are daubers, which make excellent, we sell these daubers, they make excellent for getting your different colors in your sponging. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Calypso Coral. And this is a lot brighter color, so you can do it a little bit lighter if you don't want it so bright. Just kind of depends on the look that you like. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and it's okay if some of it goes into the other flower because they're gonna kind of blend in the long haul anyway. Okay, so then we have that, the Calypso Coral. Then I'm gonna go down to the Call Me Clover. And I'm going to do some of our greenery here. That's pretty dark. I think I want a little bit of that off. Not as dark as it's actually shown here. And if you notice, it's kind of moving a little bit, so you may want to move your finger across so you can kind of get that not moving as much so it stays in place. Go ahead and get this leaf here. So some of them will get on the petals themselves too, so that's okay once you get the whole thing done. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some Pacific Point, and that's the same thing. I think I'll brush that off a little bit so it's not so powerful of a color. So just do it lighter when you actually take the sponge and move it around. Just can do it lightly so you're getting the blue color but maybe not as powerful. Okay, so we've got our blue, and now I'm going to take the Melon Mambo last, and I'm going to start with the center of the Melon Mambo first because I want that darker, and then kind of lightly go out from that. And if I want a little bit more color, start with the center again, filling in all the white. Come off of that and make sure some of your color is coming off onto it. Now this is the magic part, is I'm going to go ahead and lift this up, and what you're left with is the negative of your die. So amazing. Okay, let me show you. So we're going to go ahead and stamp one here, but this right here you can use on a card just by itself. But you actually, when you go ahead and color this, you'll have this one to use on a card. So let me show you the card that I did. There's So Much Love About You. So that's the regular one that we went ahead and colored. And then this one is the negative of it. But then I went and filled in more. I sponged a little more here and in the background over here. So the white just really pops. And you'll want to do that to make sure your saying pops and the white really pops on this. With these dies, I've also done one with, this is Blushing Bride, and went ahead and mounted that on there. Here's another one with just Whisper White on that lovely Soft Seafoam color, and just tone on tone with white on white. I love how that pops up. And here is the butterfly that comes with that too. This little flower comes with it, and the butterfly comes with the die. So that's using that, and I went ahead and did that same technique I just showed you where I sponged it first and then lifted this up, and that's what you get. So hope you've enjoyed this video of this technique of doing your sponging on your framelit dies. It's amazing the effect that you get. Check us out on stampinjill.com and you'll see all the extra products that you can get with this suite. And we also have another video on the abstract impressions. Hope to see you next time. Have a happy stamping day.